In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smart Checklist for Jira, a handy tool to streamline your workflow by creating organized and easy to manage checklists directly within your Jira issues. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can make the most of this feature. First, you'll want to start at your Jira home. From here, locate the Apps section in the left panel, which is your gateway to all sorts of additional functionalities for Jira. Click on it, then choose the option labeled Explore More Apps. This takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace, a treasure trove of apps to enhance your Jira experience. Next, in the search bar, type in Smart Checklist for Jira and initiate the search. Once the app appears in your search results, go ahead and install it. Simply follow the prompts, and within a few moments, this new feature will be ready to work its magic. With Smart Checklist installed, navigate over to your project. It's essential that you've got a specific project in mind because that's where all the actionable tasks live, and consequently where your checklist will reside. Once inside your project, you'll want to open an issue. This could be any issue that you're currently working on or planning to tackle soon. Now look towards the top of the issue layout. You should see an Apps button under the name of the issue. Click on this button and it will reveal various app functionalities available to you. From these options, select Smart Checklist. It's here that everything starts to come together. Within this interface, you're given the flexibility to manually create a checklist tailored to the specific needs of the issue at hand. If you're someone who enjoys having complete control, this is the perfect option for you. Take a moment to jot down the tasks or steps you want to include in your checklist. Alternatively, if you prefer convenience, Smart Checklist offers the option to import a checklist directly from a template. To do this, simply click on the three dots located in the right corner of the interface. This action will reveal additional options. Select Import from a template. You'll then be prompted to choose from a variety of pre-made checklist templates. Browse through these options to find one that closely matches your needs, or perhaps one that inspires you with ideas for structuring your tasks. Once you've made your choice, click the Import button. And just like that, the selected checklist template will be imported right into your issue. This efficient integration means you've now enhanced your task management with structured and visually clear steps, keeping everything organized and in one place. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to improving project management with Smart Checklist for Jira. With this tool, keeping track of tasks has never been easier, enabling you and your team to stay synchronized and productive. Happy organizing!